make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right and presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before making any statements during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence.
On December 19th, 2025, what started as a routine shoplifting call would quickly spiral into something far more chaotic. Notice how fast the officers moved from questioning to physical control before she'd even finished being read her rights.
Where are you going? Stop. What? What's going on?
I know him.
Okay.
Yes, I do know him.
All right, come over here. Come over here. Have a seat.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit
Unit
down.
51 reference Chanel. It's going to be a black
Sit
kilo,
down.
heavy fat.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Sit down.
I know him.
Sit
Okay.
down.
Sit down.
I don't want to sit down, please.
I'm telling you to sit down. You're not asking.
Don't push me.
Okay, then sit.
Okay, so I'm going down.
Sit down then.
All right.
Where are you
Hey,
going?
you're paying attention to me right now, okay? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right and presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before making any statements during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence, representation, court of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning. Hey, listen to me.
The suspect or the caller?
Stay down.
Why are you pushing
Well,
me?
stay down.
Down.
He's talking to you.
Yes.
At this moment in the interview, you do not wish to answer any questions. You're privileged to remain silent. You
Can
can
I
make.
please call my lawyer?
I can make.
Because you're pushing
Go ahead.
me. I don't. Why are you over there?
Are you guys 10-12 with the suspect?
10-4. Bottom lot alpha and bravo.
Copy, success.
So,
Perfect.
Ernest.
Next time seen, can somebody go to Chanel, just double check with what process? 10-12 with Chanel Security. Even better, thank you.
Raise your right hand for me. Swear to tell the truth, best of your knowledge.
That's my knowledge.
What happened?
I'm in the store, watching the store, and then she came into the store. I greet her, welcome, and then she pointed out this bag she wants to see. And I unlock it for her.
Okay.
And I gave it to her, and then so she can see in the
Yep.
mirror, and then she just walk out with the bag.
Okay. Can you describe the bag?
It's a black bag, top handle.
Okay.
And he has a chain where you can wear it across body. I forgot the name of it. He has a name.
Vague, small.
It's a little that big.
Do you know what she did with it after she
He
took
put it in her bag.
She put it in her bag?
Yeah.
Was willing to prosecute?
It's up to the company.
Okay. Hey, I need 1 unit to go to Chanel to get confirmation. No. Sit down. Sit down. Relax.
Why? This is my purse.
Listen,
Sir, ooh.
give me your purse.
Sir,
Listen
this
to me.
Sir gave me something.
Give me the whole purse.
No, the sir gave me something. I can't
Give
give
me
you my whole purse.
the whole purse.
I give you, but he gave me.
We're doing an investigation right now, so you either
This is the moment things get legally murky. Detained isn't the same as arrested and demanding her purse under threat of handcuffs raises a real question. Was this a lawful search or a coerced one?
you're going to give us this purse or you're going to go in handcuffs.
What?
Do you understand me? You have two options. Give me that purse or you're going in handcuffs.
Give you my purse for what, sir?
No problem. You're detained at this point.
No, I'm
okay?
not detained.
Yeah, you
I'm
are.
giving.
No, you're detained.
Okay.
You're detained.
Relax, sir.
Yeah.
Wait, what are you doing?
Let go.
No, I'm not doing anything. Why y'all not
Man, stop
resisting? I'm not
resisting.
resisting.
Hey, drop the shit
Oh
in
my
your
God,
hands.
y'all wanna
You
hurt
understand
me?
me? Drop
Hey,
it.
drop your phone.
Now you're really going to jail.
Why am I going to jail?
Because you're resisting. That's
I'm
why.
not resisting,
Yeah, you
sir.
are.
I'm sitting here. What are you talking about?
No problem.
He just.
Stole anything else?
I didn't steal anything.
Yeah, what's that?
No problem.
You stole a whole Chanel bag?
I didn't steal anything. The dude, I know dude.
You know the dude.
Lawyered up, don't ask any questions. Lawyered up, don't ask questions.
We run her ID yet?
Sit down.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm trying to stand
No.
up.
You don't need to stand up.
What? Why are you kicking me, idiot? Don't kick me. Do not kick me.
Cross your feet.
Do not kick me.
Cross your feet.
I'm alright.
You got it?
Is her bag here? Yeah. She's 10:15 already, right?
Why are you touching me, sir?
We can. That's why. Get up. Now you're getting up. Get up. We're gonna go into the car. Right here. Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick me and poke me?
I think I have a scissors in my chest.
Thank
In
you
your
for
chest?
telling me.
Okay. Really appreciate
Is it your
that.
bra?
Left side.
Alright, don't touch the cry.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh wow, it has the thing on it too.
He the one that just gave it. He the one that just That's it.
What do you use the scissors for? Oh, she lowered up? Okay.
No, I didn't. No, that's not
told
true.
you wanted your lawyer, so we're not going to talk to you.
But you just took my phone from me.
You're under arrest.
How am I under arrest? I know. Where's the dude? Why you so? Why you trying to drop me, bro?
Stop. Relax.
Man, no, you touched me, dog.
Relax.
No way. Why you manhandling me, bro?
You probably got something in there.
I don't got anything here. There you go, babe. There you go.
Just relax.
Don't
Just
look straight in my
relax. Just relax. It's gonna be fun.
Under. You can go under. And whatever you need to do, babe.
That's what it is.
There you go.
If you want to put it in the car, you can.
Okay. What car do we have? Hold on, relax.
Can y'all please sit me aside, please? Can y'all sit me aside?
Huh?
Or
Yeah. All right, let's go over here.
first, I need my phone to call my lawyer.
No, you're not getting a call.
Grabbing me. Stop touching
Let's go.
me.
We're going to the
This
car.
is my nail. I don't want to touch
Let's go.
me. I want to, dog.
Let's go.
Don't touch me. You're my friend.
Let's go.
You're my friend.
Stand up.
I want to stand up, but I'm not. I'm like how he's grabbing me. All right, I'm not doing. You just punched me, bro.
I didn't punch
Yes,
you.
you did just punch me. You did just punch me in my face.
Get in the car.
Put your feet in the car.
You just punched me.
Chanel security point.
Yeah.
He was pointing at her.
Yeah,
But
Chanel.
I just need him to say it verbally, just to confirm.
Okay.
Bam. Security officer on the
Are you
Glens
locked or
Mall.
security?
You're banned from returning to Glens Mall indefinitely. Return to the property will be considered trespassing. The police will be called. You'll be subject to arrest. Just to be clear, you're banned and returning will be considered trespassing. You'll be subject to arrest. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Thank you.
I'm gonna go on real quick just to let her know that your vehicle was cleared before this, correct?
Yeah, 100%.
So if we find anything,
It's on her.
yeah. Hey, ma'am. Just to let you know that this vehicle was cleared before you obviously came in here. So
Fix my glasses.
absolutely,
You punched me in my face.
I did not put you
Yes,
in
you
the
did
face.
punch me in my face, sir.
We have body.
She says it was a punch. He calls it a forearm. In cases like this, body-worn cameras become the deciding witness, the only account that doesn't depend on who's telling the story.
Body-worn cameras? I did not do that.
Clearly,
Yeah.
you punched me in my
No,
face.
I use my forearm to do like this.
Yeah, and y'all aggressively, y'all look like I have anger. And y'all,
No, we
and I'm
don't.
telling y'all,
We were,
you stand up like
we were
a-
telling you
a
to come
human
over
being.
here, and
No,
you
y'all
kept
not
resisting and
gonna
pushing us.
punch me in my shit.
Okay.
Punch you in the face.
Whatever you want to,
are
whatever you
lying.
want to believe.
You are
Well,
Elbow me.
we're not
Elbow
gonna,
me.
we're not gonna argue.
I'm not talking to you.
We're not gonna argue.
You like it? Thank God it wasn't you.
We're not gonna argue. If you truly feel that we did something, we have a supervisor here on scene. If you want to, we'd love to talk to you. But I just want to let you know that there was nothing in this vehicle. If we do find any contraband, like if we find any contraband in here,
I don't have anything, sir.
okay,
Anything
I'm just advising you, that you would be additionally charged for whatever contraband you
I don't
have.
have anything.
Okay, no worries. I do have a supervisor here. If you would like to talk to him about what just occurred, you can definitely obviously do that. Okay.
I just need my phone.
You need your phone. So when you're under arrest, you don't have privileges to your phone. You will get a call at the jail for sure, but you don't get a call while you're under arrest. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Yes? Okay, perfect. Do you have any other questions?
Where's my purse?
Where we have all your property. Your property will never leave. You know, it might get safely stored in our facility, or it might go down to the jail with you.
Oh,
Pending, like it's usually credit cards will go down with you. Your license.
You take me to booking right now?
We're going to be taking you booking, correct? Okay. Just letting you know. Okay, perfect. Any other questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah. He didn't want to talk to you. Yeah.
Oh, yay.
There you go. There you go. She's back.
Of course, of course.
Good job. Earned it.
I'll take the purse.
Miranda 1. I receiving 97 of the server, Mr. McClure, carries the writer.